हेलो एवरीवन। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि अपनी फीलिंग्स को इंग्लिश में कैसे शो किया जाए तो आइए, आज का टॉपिक है इमोशंस एंड फीलिंग्स फॉर किड्स फॉर एवरीवन। लेट्स गो। हैप्पी, हैप्पी, खुश, शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी। सैड, सैड, उदास, she is feeling sad because her pet died. Confused, confused, puzzle. I feel confused when things are not clear. Energetic, energetic. Tawana, run and play to stay energetic. Guilty, Sharminda, guilty. I broke the toy and now I am guilty. Numb, numb, जो महसूस ना कर सकें. I can't feel my hand, it's numb. सोजन, swelling. Sick, sick, बीमार. I feel sick today. Angry, angry, गुस्से वाला, गुस्से में. Angry makes me sad. Content, content, पुरजोश. The content is fun. Envious, envious, किसी से jealous होना, हसद. Being envious is like feeling jealous. Amused, amused, बहुत खुश. Watching the playful kittens amused us. Offended, offended, शर्मिंदा, उदास. Don't be offended. Silly, silly, eating ice cream with a fork is silly. Annoyed, annoyed, don't be annoyed. Curious, curious, किसी चीज़ के लिए पुरजोश होना, बेचैनी से इंतज़ार करना. I am curious about the stars. Excited, excited, बहुत खुश. Feeling excited. Hopeful, hopeful, पुरउम्मीद. I am hopeful for a sunny day. Overwhelmed, overwhelmed, परेशान कुन. Cleaning my room seems overwhelming. Surprised, surprised, हैरान कुन. I am surprised. Anxious, anxious, बहुत परेशान. I feel anxious about the big test. Determined, determined, पुरस्कून. I am determined to finish my homework. Friendly, friendly, दोस्ताना. Share toys and be friendly. Hungry, hungry, भूखा. I am hungry. Proud, proud, फखर. Mom is proud of me. Thirsty, thirsty, प्यासा. Are you thirsty? Bored, bored, nothing to do, bored. Disappointed, disappointed, परेशान कुन. The news made me disappointed. मायूस. Frustrated, frustrated. She felt frustrated after losing the game. हिचकिचाना. Disgusted, disgusted, disgusted. Finding a hair in my food makes me disgusted. Grateful, grateful. Azim, I feel grateful for my friends. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Tanha. Loneliness is sad. Shame, shame, shame. It's no shame to make mistakes. Sharminda. Uncertain, uncertain. Bejakini. I feel uncertain about the answer. Confident, confident. Be confident when you speak. Grumpy, grumpy. गुस्सा होना. Don't be grumpy, smile. Loved, loved, प्यार करना. I loved the puppy. Shy, 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 शर्माना. Sarah feels shy. Worried, worried, परेशान होना. I am worried about my lost toy. Enjoy it and subscribe.